How to unlock your Fifth Third debit card. First of all, log into your Fifth Third bank online account through their official website at 53.com. Once logged in, navigate to the card management section. Here you will find the option to unlock your debit card to resume transactions. If you do not see this option online, you can also use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to unlock your card instantly. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank account and once logged in, navigate to the card management section. Then, tap the card you want to block. Here you will find the option to lock and unlock the card. Then, toggle the lock option to unlock your Fifth Third debit card. Alternatively, call Fifth Third Bank customer service for immediate assistance to unlock your debit card. Unlocking your debit card is a simple way to regain access if you previously locked it or if your card was temporarily disabled. And that's it. Now you know how to unlock your Fifth Third debit card quickly and safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.